everybody, we have a big new surprise to show you. But if you like this video,
we got a new tractor. This one has a cab to keep us safe from our branches when we're grappling trees, and it's a little bit stronger too. So today we're gonna go test it out and see if we can pick up an entire tree with one bite on the grapple. Are you ready, Mason?
yeah.
Jump.
Let's go to work.
Nice.
This is my booty. Push down that tree with her grapple bucket.
I'm gonna push down that dead skinny tree right there. Oh, yes,
Rabbit! Rora! Rabbit! Rabbit! Push it! Timbo!
we got 2 trees! Is that awesome? High five, Livy! That was a big stick. You want to try that one?
Mason's got a sea monster.
A sea monster.
You're so tough, Saray. One-handed.
I broke a sea monster.
You broke him.
Because he's big.
He's a mean guy.
Good job, Livy.
Chuck him up there as hard as you can. Perfect throw.
You see her? She's like, yeah. I don't know. You want 2? Oh my goodness. Hard working girl.
Help me, Bubba. Help me, Bubba.
We also got a new crazy big chainsaw with a bar as long as your arm. And so we're gonna see if we can cut through these trees. Are you ready, Mason? All right, let's see if it'll do it.
Okay, can we get off? We're starting the
You need some help? Run away! All right, back up on the trail.
Whoa!
want to go back to the tractor?
I don't want in the tractor.
Today, guys, we didn't quite finish up, but we'll come back tomorrow and finish piling up all the trees we pushed down. Bye!